Hi, I'm your OVI Master, Christian Enrile, and welcome to OVI's Frequently Asked Questions. Ang unprovoked murder and assault ay isa sa mga limitations ng ating Seal Pro coverage, whether that's a Bronze Seal Pro, Platinum Seal Pro, Kabayan Bronze, or Kabayan Platinum. Papasok sa kategorya ng unprovoked murder and assault ang isang taong covered ng ating Seal Pro kung ang dahilan ng kanyang pagkamatay is due to unprovoked murder. Ang ating Bronze Seal Pro coverage ay merong 125,000 benefit value of unprovoked murder and assault. Ang ating Platinum naman po ay merong 250,000 benefit value. Now what happens kung ikaw naman ay naging double Platinum? Ibig sabihin yan, ang 250,000 benefit value ng Platinum ay madudoble po na magiging 500,000. At kung ikaw naman ay naka-triple Platinum or tinatawag nating Max Seal, ang iyong benefit value ng unprovoked murder and assault ay matitriple din. So from 250,000 pesos times 3, that's a total of 750,000 pesos benefit value ng unprovoked murder and assault under triple Platinum. Stay tuned for more videos of our OVI's Frequently Asked Questions. I'm your OVI Master, Christian Enrile.